Hello everybody, this is Mr. Adam, and today I'm going to show you guys how to finish your progress check. So what your progress check is going to be an exit ticket combined with a problem set. So if we look at the slide, we're going to have a problem set, this is our problem set, and an exit ticket. So what you're going to do is you're going to take out a sheet of paper, and what you're going to do is you're going to answer the problem set on the sheet of paper. You're going to draw out what the problem set is asking you. This one is asking us for the number of rows, so we would count the number of rows, and we would draw the number of rows on our sheet of paper, and we would do the multiplication problem on our sheet of paper. And then we would also do the exit ticket on the same sheet of paper. Draw an array that shows 5 rows of 3 squares. So we would draw an array of 5 rows of 3 squares, and then we would draw a number bond. So we would draw this on our sheet of paper. So our sheet of paper should have the drawings from our problem set, and it should have the drawings of our exit ticket. Whenever you're finished with your sheet of paper, whenever you're finished the problem set, and you're finished the exit ticket, what you're going to do is you're going to go to this slide, and you're going to read the instructions. Now I'm going to read it to you just to help you guys out. What we're going to do is we're going to take a photo of our sheet of paper and we're going to put it on our slide here. So what we're going to do is we're going to the Insert tab. We're going to go to Images, and then under Images we're going to select Camera. And then from this, what we're going to do is we're going to take a photo of our paper and we're going to upload it onto the slide. My computer currently doesn't have a camera, but this is where you would take your photo at. And once you finish taking the photo, Insert right here should be lit up. Once you click the Insert button right here, it's going to post your worksheet right here. So again, you're going to have a sheet of paper, and on the sheet of paper, you're going to draw out your problem set, and you're going to draw out your exit ticket. Whenever you're finished drawing out both your exit ticket and your problem set, you're going to take a photo of your sheet of paper and you're going to submit it to this slide.